Okay, here we go with some help for homework sheet 6. Now, I'm going to do question 1A with you, and then you can try 1B yourself. So the fact that the question says 1/2 of 7 4/5 add 1 1/3, you have to do the brackets first of all. Remember BODMAS. So we're going to work out the answers to the brackets first. So we're going to do 7 4/5 add 1 1/3. So if I add the whole numbers, that gives me 8. Now I need to find a number that 5 and 3 both go into. And that number is 15. So that means my new top numbers are going to be 12 over 15 and 5 over 15. How did I get them? Because 3 5s make 15, 3 4s make 12. 5 3s make 15 and 5 1s make 5. Okay, so that gives me 8 and 17 over 15, which I can then change to 9 wholes and 2 over 15. Now let's deal with the first part of the question, which was to work 1/2 off. So I'm now going to do 1/2 of 9 2/15. Off in mathematics means times. If I then change 9 2/15 into a top heavy fraction, that gives me 137 over 15. Now when I multiply fractions, I try and see if there's anything cancels. In this case, nothing cancels, so I'll do 1 times 137 is 137, and then 2 times 15, that's 30. And I can leave my answer like that, or I can divide that out to be 4 and 17 over 30. Now you do the same thing for the second part of the question. Okay, after the hard start we get a wee bit easier. A man can run 10 kilometres inside 40 minutes. How long will it take him to run 12? Now there's a whole variety of ways of getting this answer. My preferred method is to go this route. So when we do those little arrows, it's a divide followed by a times, so you can get your answer. Question 3, the plumbers. If one works 1 day and one works 3 days, that means in total they worked 4 days altogether. So the first man gets 1/4 because he's only worked 1 day. So he gets 1/4 of 3,400. And the second man, he gets 3/4 because he's worked 3 days. So he gets 3/4 of 3,400. Question 4, some equations. Take the -4 over. So you get 6x equals, and then you can work out what x equals. For the second one, we need to remove the brackets. So we do 5 times f, and then 5 times 5 equals 45. Then we take the 25 over to give us 5f equals, and then lastly f equals. Question 5 hopefully is straightforward for you. The train sets off at 10:20, reaches its destination at 16:05. You just need to write down how many hours and how many minutes the journey took. Question 6. The temperature in Glasgow was 7. In Oslo it was 11 degrees down on this. So we need to do 7 take away 11 to get our answer. Question 7, a percentage question. The cash and carry, the chocolates are £12.60 plus 20%. So we need to work out what 20% of £12.60 is. The easy way to do that is to work out 10% by dividing by 10, and then double that to get 20%. Once you've got your answer, you add it back onto your starting value. So £12.60 plus whatever your answer is to give you the final price for the chocolates. Lastly, number 8, probably the easiest question on the whole sheet. In fact, it's that easy I'm not going to say anything about it. Okay, short but sweet this week, folks.